Alright everybody, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Victus HP Gaming Laptop. This is their budget gaming laptop. This is great. So right here I have myself a handy dandy box cutter. So I'm going to get straight into it. Cut right into that. Oh, don't want to drop that. Let me cut right into this. There you go. Got that end right here. Let me see. The box gives me a hard time. Nope, there you go. Alright, so let's see what's in the box here. Let me close this, put it away for safety. Alright, let me just take this out. Alright, so we have the laptop itself. Since it is a budget gaming laptop, it doesn't have any fancy, packaging, but it does the job. So it comes with the laptop, and there's another box in here. I'm assuming this would be the power bank and it has a power cable. Comes with the power bank right here. There's a bit thicker power bank, but I think it's 200 watts, so there's that. And then here we have the laptop itself. Oh, got some papers right here. Assuming this is the setup instruction. So setup manual, put that to the side. There you go, it opens up just like that. And then it comes right here packaged, really nice. There you go, so let me take this out, put this to the side. All right, this comes in this wrap. See how it's a little tape in the back. Let me take this off. Oh, kind of ripped it a bit. That should be fine. There you go. So already seeing, as soon as I'm taking it out, it has a huge vent right here in the back. There's also this opening right here, and it probably helps with cooling the system down. And just right off the bat, it is a little bit heavier. What does it have right here? It has Victus right here. Super nice, like dark navy blue color. Reflective V right here. Right here, designed and engineered by HP. Honestly, it looks really nice. Here you go, let me open this, see how the keyboard looks. Put this cover to the side. Alright, so right off the bat, I want to say it looks really stylish. The buttons look crisp. Let me just do a test. Yeah, keyboard feels really nice and solid. Everything. Intel Core i5. It has a RTX 2050. The mouse pad, touchpad feels nice and solid. The screen itself looks nice. See if I can show you guys that. That looks amazing. So yeah, just a quick unboxing of this just so you guys can see what is in there. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.